An egg is frying in the pan in Lego City. Dear Lord, in the name of Jesus Christ, thank you for this meal, and please help those who are without. Dear Lord, amen. Thank you. Yeah, boy. Stellar. Phenomenal. Top stuff. Come on here and check out my garden. This hut that I never quite finished building. The stone ruins of an even greater civilization that came before it. And there she is, fellas. Got my raised garden bed, got the regular soil, and this western-eastern hybrid fence. The all-American split rail fence made out of bamboo. And because it's bamboo, it can't stand on its own. It's too slick. So I have to put these posts on all the joints of it. It's super simple. I love these fences. The whole thing is held together pretty much just from being stacked. There aren't any posts that need to be driven except for these little PVC pipes, but that doesn't usually happen that way. The whole reason that I put it up was because I started noticing cat prints in the raised garden bed. They weren't eating anything. They were just digging. It's because I think they thought it was a giant litter box. This actually won't do anything to keep out the coyotes and the Gila monsters, but it does look nice, doesn't it? It's mighty lively, pert near it. But I could always put some little bit of chicken wire, I think, all the way up to the top of it, and it wouldn't look too ugly, and it would actually keep things out. And here, I want to put a giant archway. That'd be radical. It'd be nice. And this is the star of the show right here, the kale. I have done absolutely nothing to try to ensure this kale's survival from the second that I put the seed in the soil. It's lasted. It's done flawlessly. Look at this. Hold on. I'll eat this right now. This is the side to go with the eggs. What is that? I'll eat it anyways. Bad move. That was a bad move. Freaking hate kale.